The FlightStats Airport Departures and Arrivals feature is available only to subscribed users. To use the tool, log in and select Departures and Arrivals from the airport's menu. If you are interested in seeing departures, click the Departures button. Otherwise, select Arrivals. When the application is done loading, you will see some high-level metrics and a list of flights. The page defaults to the current time period at the airport as indicated by the statistics graph. The flights listed are for that particular time period. For larger airports, there is a More Results control above the listing that allows you to see more results. Columns within the display are sortable and default to schedule gate departure time. To change the display, simply click on the column header you want to sort by, and the table will automatically be updated. Columns can be sorted in ascending or descending order. Airlines often market their partner airlines under their own flight numbers. These are called code shares, and in the flight listings, these relationships are called out by an operated by line of text, so you can tell who is really operating the flight. To show or hide code shares, simply use the toggle control above the flight listing table. Above the flight listing is a graph that depicts how well the airport is performing throughout the day. To the right of the graph are some high-level numbers that give a good idea of how many flights are delayed, canceled, or on time. To see actual numbers instead of a percentage, simply click the Actual Flights toggle. Which stats are shown depends on the time period selected. To see the stats for a different time period, simply left-click and hold at the beginning of the time period you wish to select, drag to the end of that time period, and release. You will see the stats and flights change to reflect the new time period. By highlighting the entire graph, you can see stats and flights for the whole day. Another way to change the time period is by selecting the Time Period filter. Time period is only one way of filtering information. The available filters are where this application really shines. You can filter information in a combination of ways to see just what you are interested in seeing. The airline filter allows you to pick one or more airlines to narrow the search to. Say you wanted to see only American Airlines flights. Simply pick American Airlines from the Airlines drop-down. Everything on the page will update to reflect only American Airline flights. To select multiple airlines, simply pick another airline from the list. The Live Filters section above the drop-downs show you exactly which filters you have in place. To remove a filter, simply click the X next to the filter you want to remove. To start over again, click the Reset Filters button. You can filter by destination, status, delay, equipment, terminal, gate, and, for arrivals, by baggage claim. Say you want to see all the canceled flights for the day. Select Canceled from the Status dropdown, and then select All Day from the Time Period filter. Spotters that are interested in capturing photos of a particular plane type will enjoy the ability to filter by equipment. Say you want to see if a Dreamliner is coming in during the day. Simply pick 787 from the Equipment dropdown and select All Day. The flight listing is then filtered to just those flights. The combination of sorting and filtering make this the premier departure and arrival application in the market, and we hope you enjoy this premium perk.